Hello everyone. This quick hit video will review the Postalytics Asset Manager. This is Dennis Kelly from Postalytics. Thank you for joining us today. We're going to start by clicking on the creative link and manage assets. That's how we access the Asset Manager. And you'll see that I've got several images that are already loaded into my Asset Manager. Every Postalytics account and every user within a Postalytics account has their own Asset Manager that is used to store and manage image files for use in their templates. Those image files can be both JPEG as well as PNG files. We recommend JPEG for most things, PNG files for logos and things that require transparency. So to upload an image to the Asset Manager, you can simply click on the Upload button and either drag or click to load files into the uploader. I'm going to drag something over, and I'm also going to click, and we'll grab something out of my file directory. I'll click Upload, and now you can see we've uploaded the image. If I want to reorganize the Asset Manager, I could grab this logo and drop it in the logo folder. Open up the logo folder, and you can see different logos we've already added there. You can delete something just by clicking and right-clicking. We'll delete the file. And so the Asset Manager is used to then insert images into templates. You can also access the Asset Manager from within a template. And so I'm just going to start and grab a quick 4x6 postcard template and show how easy it is to add assets from here. Okay, so I've got a blank postcard. I can click on the image icon under the build panel, double click on that image, and I'm back in that same Asset Manager. Here's the one of the images I just uploaded, and there we go. It is now part of my template that I'm creating. And so you can always access your Asset Manager through the image icon under the build panel, or through the menu selection that we had shown before. Thank you very much.